Which of the following is mentioned about the United States and Japanese management systems? Where do we have this reference? This reference is there in the second paragraph where it talks about the research done by two scholars and the research compared the United States and Japanese management systems. So we need to answer this question in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, the two systems generally focus on different management styles. In the second paragraph, it is mentioned that American managers focused on a set of management styles and the Japanese managers focused on another set of management styles. So it is correct to say that the two systems generally focus on different management styles. This is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice B, they operate under different operating realities. The passage makes no suggestion regarding the operating realities of management styles. Also, as the first paragraph mentions, operating realities is a characteristic of an organization and not a characteristic of management styles. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, these systems are better suited for organizations in their respective countries. The passage makes no such reference in the context of the comparison between these two management systems. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, the United States system helps organizations make better decisions. In this context, the passage doesn't suggest that one system is better than the other system. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, the two systems can be combined to form a more effective management system. The passage doesn't make any suggestion regarding the combination of the two management systems. So this answer choice can be eliminated. A is the correct answer.